Hi everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today I'm gonna share a fact on the topic. Know it now. Do you know what's the pronoun used for the transgender? Many of you may not be aware of it. Sweden is the only country that has a pronoun for the transgender or neutral gender in its language, Swedish. No other language has so far added a third gender neutral pronoun. In English, we use she and he for female and male. In the same way, in Swedish, they use hon for female, han for male, and hen for transgender. See you soon in the next video with a new fact. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and share chat. Thank you.